Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming critical details: keyboard layout, caps lock, and the right language. These cause most false failures. Once done, open the Google sign-in page and select Forgot Password. This initiates account recovery. Make sure your recovery phone number and recovery email are accessible, and note at least one recent password or approximate creation date. You need those facts because Google's automated checks compare them to stored signals. Keep your device and network consistent with prior sign-ins for higher success. Now you walk through verification flows. Enter the last password you remember, even if approximate, because Google uses partial matches. If prompted, approve the sign-in prompt on your registered phone or request a verification code sent to your recovery email or SMS. When asked for account creation month and year, estimate closely. Rough answers help. If multiple options appear, choose the strongest you can complete. Stay patient as each successful step unlocks the next verification tier toward resetting credentials. After successful verification, set a new strong password. Use 12 or more characters with mixed types. This prevents immediate lockouts. Once reset, update your recovery phone and email, enable two-step verification and record backup codes in a safe place. If the recovery flow fails, don't panic. Try again from a device and network you used before, or re-enter more exact past details like the original account creation date. If repeated attempts fail, wait 24 to 48 hours and retry with any additional evidence you can provide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.